Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we're back with another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add your Instagram story to your highlights. Alright, so it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, make sure you have created a highlights reel. Alright, so how you guys can do that is you can come to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen. So once you're over here, you can see the plus button at the top of your screen over here. Click on the plus button and you can see story highlight. Click on it. Now over here, what you can do is you can choose some videos over here and click on next and create yourself a new highlight. Alright, so I already have two highlights, so I don't want to create one. So after you create a highlight, you can upload a story. I hope you guys know how to upload a story. Even if you don't, let me show you. You can click on the plus icon, go on story this time, and you can click on camera to record a story or choose any video from your gallery and upload your story. Alright, so I'm gonna go on camera, click the photo of the glass, click on the arrow at the bottom, click on share, click on done. Now a story has been created. Now after you create a story, in order to add it to your highlight, what you can do is go on the story, and at the bottom of the story you can see highlights. Click on highlights and you can choose which highlight you want. So if you only have one, it's gonna only show one. So I have two highlights over here, so I'm gonna choose, I want to add it on demo. So I'm gonna choose demo, and it says add it to demo. Once you do that, you can go on demo to check the highlights reel. As you guys can see, it has been added over here. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can add an Instagram story to your highlights. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.